Hello everyone and welcome back to Can & Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni Europiccola espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace all these gaskets that you see right here. Starting with the side glass gaskets, the group head, the boiler cap, this part over here, the piston itself, the group portafilter gasket, the boiler gasket, everything that you see right here. We replace them all from this machine. And we had this machine already on for a while. There's no leaks coming out from the base, and there are no leaks coming out from any of the places that we work, including these areas of the machine. So yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. We clean it up and put it back together. So now we're testing it out, starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. So there you have it, a 1 ounce shot with a little bit of crema. Nice and steady stream coming out of the spouts. It's a good shot of espresso. Steam for this machine, as you can see, nice and strong. Excellent pressure, great temperature. So there you have it, Pavoni Europiccola working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Can & Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.